In this video, I will show you how to create a HubSpot chatbot. If you want to automate conversations with your website visitors, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. From the left sidebar, go to Chat Flows and click Create Chat Flow. Next, choose Website, then select Bot as the chat flow type. You can either start with a template or build your chatbot from scratch, depending on your needs. Now, customize your chatbot by editing the welcome message, adding conversation steps, and configuring actions such as asking questions, collecting contact information, assigning conversations, or directing visitors to helpful resources. After that, set your targeting and availability rules to control when and where the chatbot appears on your website. Review all of your settings, then click Publish to make your chatbot live. You can return to the Chat Flows section at any time to edit your chatbot or view its performance. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.